If you constantly feel tired, wake up without freshness, or lose your energy halfway through the day, this is your body's clear signal that something inside is not right. Dr. Berg says low energy never happens without a cause. And the fascinating part is, over 1,200 years ago, Imam Jafar Al Sadiq, ADS, gave natural solutions to these problems, and modern science has now confirmed their accuracy. Let's explore the 7 major reasons for low energy, first through Dr. Berg's scientific explanation, then through Imam Jafar Al Sadiq's ADS timeless remedies. The first reason is hormonal imbalance. When thyroid hormones or cortisol are out of balance, your metabolism slows and energy levels drop. Dr. Berg explains that selenium plays a critical role here, and just 2 to 3 Brazil nuts a day can help maintain proper thyroid balance. Imam Jafar Al Sadiq, AS, prescribed a simple yet powerful natural remedy, dates with milk. Dates provide natural sugars and minerals, while milk offers protein and iodine, both essential for hormonal health. Science confirmation. Research published in the Journal of Dairy Science shows that iodine and selenium from milk and dates directly assist in production of healthy thyroid hormones. The second reason is nutrient deficiency, particularly magnesium and vitamin B1. Vitamin B1 is necessary to convert food into ADP, the body's energy currency, while magnesium activates over 300 enzymes involved in energy production. Dr. Berg recommends spinach and pumpkin seeds as excellent sources to replenish these nutrients. Imam Jafar Al Sadiq, AS, advised drinking water with honey in the morning for immediate and sustained vitality. Science confirmation. A 2020 study in Frontiers in Nutrition found that honey improves mitochondrial function and reduces fatigue. The third reason is unstable blood sugar. When glucose spikes and crashes, fatigue and brain fog follow. Dr. Berg recommends healthy fats and fiber, such as in avocados, to keep blood sugar steady. Imam Jafar Al Sadiq, AS, recommended drinking barley water, which provides slow, steady energy and supports digestion. Science confirmation. Research in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition shows that beta-glucan fiber in barley helps maintain stable blood sugar levels after meals. The fourth reason is chronic inflammation. When inflammation is high, your immune system consumes much of your body's energy reserves. Dr. Berg explains that turmeric combined with black pepper enhances curcumin absorption, making it more effective in reducing inflammation. Imam Jafar Al Sadiq, AS, described pomegranate as a purifier of the blood and a strengthener of the body. Science confirmation. Studies published in Food and Function show that pomegranate polyphenol reduce inflammation and improve blood circulation, delivering more oxygen and nutrients to cells. The fifth reason is dehydration. Even mild dehydration slows the transport of nutrients and oxygen to cells, making you feel sluggish. Dr. Berg recommends coconut water as a natural electrolyte drink rich in potassium, sodium, and magnesium. Imam Jafar Al Sadiq, AS, advised drinking cool water with a small amount of honey to refresh and energize the body. Science confirmation. Research in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition confirms that honey water improves hydration and endurance. The sixth reason is poor digestion. If your digestive system cannot properly absorb nutrients, you will feel tired no matter what you eat. Dr. Berg suggests fermented vegetables such as sauerkraut and kimchi to restore healthy gut bacteria. Imam Jafar Al Sadiq, AS, recommended using vinegar with meals to improve digestion and appetite. Science confirmation. A 2018 study in the Journal of Functional Foods found that vinegar activates digestive enzymes and helps regulate blood sugar. The seventh reason is poor sleep quality. Deep, restorative sleep is when the body repairs cells, balances hormones, and recharges the brain. Dr. Berg recommends chamomile tea, which contains a pigeon to promote relaxation and better sleep. Imam Jafar Al Sadiq, AS, advised drinking lukewarm milk before bed to calm the body and prepare for restful sleep. Science confirmation. Research published in Nutrients shows that warm milk increases tryptophan availability, aiding melatonin production and improving sleep quality. Dr. Berg Science explains why your energy disappears, and Imam Jafar Al Sadiq's AS, wisdom shows how to bring it back naturally. Combining these approaches not only removes fatigue, but restores a life that is full, balanced, and strong. If you found this valuable, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share with others who need to restore their energy. Let's respect our doctors while also honoring the timeless healing knowledge of Imam Jafar Al Sadiq, AS, bringing natural science-backed wisdom into every home. This video is for educational purposes only and is not medical advice. Always consult your healthcare provider before starting any new treatment.